want to show you our wheels for our chicken tractor. These are removable. We can take them off this one, put them on that one, put them on our laying chicken tractor. But we pick it up, set it down. Do the same thing over there, and we'll pull it and move it. We got them in the spot we want them. Pick that up, push it forward, push it down, it drops the seat. Then we pull this pin, take the wheel, and it comes with us to the next one. So we're going to take it over here. That's it. Put it back.